There's a lot of historic fabric in Dubuque that needs restoration, and there are people that are interested in buying and investing in those properties, but they need to have access to people that have the skill sets to do the work.
With a solution to that economic issue, enters a new partnership between Northeast Iowa Community College and Four Mounds. It's called Build Dubuque.
Showed up, junky shirt, jeans, steel-toe boots. I got to work. I learned how to put wood floor down. I know how to put it up. I learned how to work a leveler, and we learned how to put cement down.
Through the Build Dubuque program, students learn the hands-on skills of historic restoration and breathe new life into rundown homes and buildings. While earning a career pathway certificate or diploma in construction, students are also earning a paycheck.
It helped put money in our pocket, like, because we do have jobs. We had to take off our jobs to continue doing the Build Dubuque stuff.
It's good economic development. It's critical for our future that we preserve and restore our past, and if we can build jobs and careers while we're doing it, it's critical.
I actually am smart enough. I actually can do it. I'm actually strong. And people are like, what? She can really do that? It's like, yeah, I can.